Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we talk about tips, tech, programming, and life. This is Juan Cornelio Guzman, commonly known as Juan. To give you a background, I am a software engineer by profession, a singer in my imagination, and a certified jaywalker in certain situations. I am in the IT industry for more than 9 years now and currently hired as a software engineer in a private company. That's why I love tech and I'm leaning towards creating an online Java course on this channel. So if you are an aspiring Java programmer, then you're on the right channel. You can also see playlists for our unboxing series where we do the actual unboxing of different items, including their testing plus the review. And of course, we cover life topics and tips that can motivate, inspire, or inform every subscribers in every aspects of life. Unfortunately though, I'm not born to be a comedian. That's why I'm not anticipating a huge amount of subscribers on this channel. Kumbaga, kung umabot na tayo ng 100k, it means blessing na lang yun. Honestly, I created this channel as another stream of income while doing what I love. But I don't want to create a garbage content that talks about the life and issues of other people just to gain views or likes. Although naniniwala ako sa sinabi ni Bob Ong sa kanyang librong Lumayo Ka Nga Sa Akin na walang pakialam ang tao sa katotohanan. Sa chismis lang sila interesado, which is being used by certain YouTubers just to gain views and likes. So I'm taking the risk of not getting any income from this channel so long as I create quality content. The most important thing is that you give your best in whatever you do. After all, it's better to try and fail than not trying at all. I have this slogan, become the better one. But it doesn't mean that I'm better than you. You might be way better than I am. But our goal here is to become the better version of ourselves. Again, welcome to my channel and hopefully you will learn something or you can share something by actively commenting to our videos. So sit back, relax, and hit that subscribe and bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Maraming salamat po and stay safe.